Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines designed for dorms and travel. Today we will explore the FADSK 15L and the SRV VTO 13L models. Both machines offer unique features tailored for compact living. But which one is right for you? Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The FADSK portable washing machine boasts a capacity of 15 liters, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the SRV VTO model offers a slightly smaller capacity of 13 liters. This difference may seem minor, but it can impact how many items you can wash at once, especially for families or those with more laundry needs. When it comes to portability, weight is a crucial factor. The FADSK Carrier weighs 2.08 kilograms, while the SRV VTO is significantly lighter at just 1.202 kilograms. This makes the SRV VTO a better option for those who need to carry their washer frequently, such as travelers or students moving between dorms. The FADSK Cage model operates semi-automatically, allowing users to select wash times manually, which can be beneficial for those who prefer control over their washing cycles. On the other hand, the SRV VTO offers fully automatic operation, making it easier to use with just a touch of a button, perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, both the FADSK 15L and SRV VTO 13L portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize capacity and control, the FADSK AJ is your best bet. However, if you need something lighter and easier to operate, the SRV VTO is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.